Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like Manual Building Design, STAT Pro, ETAP, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Stravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contain 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineering Stravan YouTube channel. So in this video I will explain you complete designing of irregular building structural model, which is of high-rise building structural model by using ETAP software. So initially I will explain you the complete process related to the modeling of the building structural model. Then after that I will apply the load cases. Then I will design that particular building structural model using ETAP software. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. And don't forget to like this video. At least I am expecting 200 likes for this video. So let's start our video. So here I am selecting my ETAP software for modeling of the building structural model. Go to click on the file option. So initially I am selecting the file new model option. So now here in this case it will be consisting of initialization option. We will select use built-in settings according to metric SI as per the Indian Standard Code provision, IS 800 steel design code, IS 456 concrete design code. Click on OK. Now after defining the sections which is related to the code books, we have to give the number of the base in horizontal direction. Just I am considering 10 number of the base, 10 number of the base, and x direction which is consisting of approximately 4 meter I am taking. This is also approximately 4 meter I am taking. And number of stories here I am assuming as 20 stories. 3 meter is the story height, typical story height. Bottom story height is also 3 meter I am considering here. Click on the grid only option. From these options, click on OK option. Now after selecting the grid data, story data, we have to select the material properties, which is nothing but the grade of the concrete as well as the grade of the steel. So for this building model, I am assuming M40 grade concrete provision with HOSD bar of 500 grade. Go to define option for that, material properties, add new material. Initially I am selecting Indian concrete as per the M40 grade concrete provision. Click on OK. Again in the same process I am adding one more material which is related to the rebar section. Just I am selecting rebar which is of HOSD 500 grade. Click on OK option, click on OK option. Now after this we have to define the column size, beam size. Go to define section properties, select the frame sections here. So now we have to delete the multiple section which is presented here. Click on delete option. Again I am selecting here, click on delete option, click on OK. After this we have to define the new property, and new property here, concrete rectangular property. Just I am considering column which is consisting of M40 grade concrete provision with 690 cross 690 dimensions for this column. Again I am selecting reinforcement property here, select the column, and rebar material we have to consider as HOSD of 500. So you can consider number of the bars based on your assumption. Just I am taking 5 number of the bars which is presented in 2 direction as well as the 3 direction. Click on apply. So now we can see this is the cross section for the column. Click on OK. After this select the ISLB. We will delete this property. Now I am adding one more property which is related to the beam section. So here I am considering the beam which is consisting of the material is M40 grade with the dimensions is depth is 690 and width is approximately 460 I am assuming here. Click on reinforcement option, select the beam option from the column and HOSD of 500. So we will assume the data which is related to the cover. Just I am selecting here as 40 mm cover at the top section as well as the bottom section. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now we will select OK option. After this we have to define the slab thickness. Select the slab thickness option. Delete the plank one initially. Click on the modify option. Just I am taking 150 mm is the slab thickness for this member with M40 grade concrete provision standard system 150 thickness. Click on OK. Now after this we have to assign the properties for this building structural model. Just I am selecting all stories. Select the beam cursor here, quick draw beams option. Select the property name which is related to beam on the left hand side. So we will drag to the model here like this. Again in the same process for drawing the columns, we have to select the I section member. Just I am selecting here. Just I am drawing here like this. Now after this we have to draw the slab sections. Go to select the slab section here. Change deck 1 to slab 150 option and we will assign to this particular model. So now we can see here so that it will apply the complete slab section for this model which is related to 150 mm for this building structure. So after applying the slab section, we have to delete the slab section which is presented at the ground story level. Go to select option for that. Select the stories option here. Just I am selecting the base option here. Click on delete option. Most of the people are asking me how to delete the slab section at the ground story level. If you select the slab section, if you click on the delete option in the keyboard, it will not delete sometimes. So for deleting the members, we have to go to the edit option here. Click on the delete option here so that it will delete the properties at the ground story level here for the building model here like this. Now after this we have to make this irregular structural model for this building. So for that just I am considering these 3 members which are makes to make a irregular structural model for this building. Click on delete option. So go to edit, click on delete option so that it will delete the members here. So now we can see it will delete the properties. Again in the same process I will delete the some more properties which is presented at this level for the building. Now we can see these are the members which are presented at the top level for this building. Go to edit option again. Again we have to click on the delete option so that it will delete the sum of the properties at this level for the building model. Now after this I will make the irregularity at the center level also for this building structural model. So for this building just I am selecting these are the unnecessary beams and columns which is presented for the model. Click on delete option so that it will delete the properties which is presented at the center point of the building structure. Now we can see it will delete the properties here like this so that it will make the some irregularity building structural model by using ETABS software. So after this we have to apply the load cases. Go to define option for that. Click on load patterns option. It is consisting of the 2 types of the load cases like dead load, live load. We will add the seismic loading condition according to IS 1893 codebook provision standard system in both X direction condition system as well as the Y direction condition system. In the same process, I am adding the wind load which is presented in X direction condition system as well as the Y direction condition system as per the IS 875 2015 codebook. So after adding these 2 and 4 load cases, we have to add the properties which is presented inside for this building. Click on the modify option, select the direction which is presented in X direction with the 0.36 per code value, click on OK. Again I am selecting this, select the direction which is related to the Y direction condition system. Now I am selecting IS 875, click on modify option. So we will select the speed according to our consideration. Just I am selecting here as per my assumption 44 wind speed. With the terrain category will be of 4 here, I am assuming here. So importance factor 1.15 just I am taking. 0.86 is the wind coefficient CP value. 0,180 degrees I am assuming for this model. Click on OK option. Again click on OK. Again select wind Y, modify option here. 44 just I am selecting here and 4 is here 0.86 and 1.15 modify here. And this is the 90 value. Again in the same process we have to enter the values 270 degrees. Click on OK option. Again click on OK option. Again click on OK. Now we will apply the load cases which is related to the live load and dead load. For further just I am selecting all the building initially for applying the self-weight condition system. Click on assign option. Loads, forces, add to existing condition. We will apply as 11111 as the self-weight factor for the building. Click on apply option. So after that we have to apply the wall loading condition system. Basically wall loads are 3 types which is related to external wall, internal wall, parapet wall loading condition system for the building model. So we have to calculate the wall loading condition systems individually. Okay, so for that external wall we will consider 0.23 is the thickness of the wall. If I multiply the unit weight of the brickwork 20 with the height of the brickwork so that it can get the values 13.8 kilonewton per meter. In the same process for the internal wall 0.125 multiplied by approximately 3 meter height multiplied by 20 so that it can get the values 7.5. In the same process 0.125 multiplied by approximately 1.2 meter height and we have to multiply this respected value with 20. It will get approximately 3 kilonewton per meter. So now we have to sum this value 13.8 plus 11.5 plus 3, which is comes under 24.3 kilonewton per meter is the intensity we have to apply for the beam sections. Go to select option for that, properties, frame section, select the beams option here. Go to assign option here, frame, distributed, add to existing, we have to consider it as 24.3 kilonewton per meter intensity. Click on apply option so that it will apply the wall loading condition system for the members. After this, we have to apply the slab load condition system which is related to the marble sign tiles. For calculating the load related to the marble sign tiles, we have to consider 0.1 is the thickness of the particular floor, and we have to consider 20 is the unit weight, so that it can get is approximately 2 kilonewton per meter square is the intensity we have to apply for the slab. Go to select option, select properties, slab section, select slab 150, click on OK. Go to assign option, just I am selecting shell area load, uniform condition, apply. So here I am selecting 2 kilonewton per meter square is the intensity. Again in the same process we have to apply the live load, just I am selecting the dead load to live load with intensity of 3.5 kilonewton per meter square. Click on apply so that it will apply the live load condition system for this model. So after applying all the load cases, we have to apply the load combination for this building. Go to define option for that, select load combination, click on add default design combination according to concrete frame design, click on OK. So if you want, you can add the slab designing section combination also. So here I am adding one more combination system, default design combination according to concrete slab section, click on OK so that it will add the load combinations here like this. So after that, click on OK option here. So after so that it will apply the load combination for the building structural model. Now after this, we will do the analysis process. Go to analyze option, check models initially. We will check for the joint checks for this building so that it will check for the joint check. If any errors is obtained, then it will show you the complete details. Again, we will do the analysis process. Go to analyze, set load cases to run option, click on run now option so that it will ask you to save the model here. Just I am selecting my desktop, just I will create one new folder. HR, just I am selecting high rise building. So click on save option so that it will do the analysis process for this building under the considerations of the both gravity loading condition systems as well as the lateral loading condition systems. Then after that, we will see the results which is related to deflection, shear, bending, torsion, etc. which is presented for this building model. Now we can see here, this is the deflection diagram for this building model. So we will check the shear force diagram also for this building model. Go to display option, frame span of force. So select the load case, depends upon your consideration. Select choose 2 option. So it will apply the complete shear force diagram for this building structural model under the considerations of the load cases. So bending moment diagram you can apply here so that it will display the complete bending moment diagram for this building model under the application. So torsion diagram, if you click on this, then it will show you the complete torsion diagram for this building model under the load application. Now after this, we will design the structural model. So before designing the structural model, we have to add the strip condition system for the slab. So for this high rise building, just I am adding 3 strip condition system which is presented at top story, 28th story, 15th story as well as the 5th story for the slab. Go to edit option for that. So after unlocking the model, go to edit option. So select the edit grid strip condition system, select add strip, select the story number 20, click on X direction A, click on apply so that it will apply the complete strip condition system at the top story level in X direction. Again in the same process, we will see the strip condition system in Y direction with the B, click on apply so that it will apply the strip condition system in Y direction condition. In the same process, we will select the story number which is comes under the 15th story under the X direction strip condition A layer, click on apply so that it will apply the strip condition system at the 15th story XA layer. Again in the same process, we will apply the strip condition system at the Y direction B layer, click on apply so that it will apply the strip condition system at the B level. Again after this we will select the story number which is related to 10th story. Click on X direction condition with the layer is A. Click on apply so that it will apply the strip condition system which is presented at the 10th story for this building. And again in the same process I am selecting which is related to Y direction condition with the strip layer is B. Click on apply option so that it will apply the complete strip condition system at the B section. If you want you can take the 5th story also. So here I am selecting 5th story also for this model. X direction with A. Click on apply. Again in the same process I am selecting Y direction condition system grid direction which is related to Y direction condition system with the B layer. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip condition system at the 5th story level also. Click on OK option. After this we will do the analysis process once again with the considerations of the strip condition system. So for that click on the run analysis option for this building model. Now we can see it is showing the complete analysis process here. Now we will design the structure. Go to design, concrete frame design. Click on start design check. Before that we will select the IS code book. Select the preferences here. Select IS 456-2000 code. Click on OK. Now after this click on design option, concrete frame design. So click on start designing check option so that it will start designing of the member related to beams and columns for this building. Now we can see here it was done with complete designing of the members. So after that we have to design the slab section. Go to design option, concrete slab design section we have to select here. View revised preferences, select IS 456-2000, click on OK. Now in the same process we will go to design, concrete slab design. So here we have to select the story number of the design, 20th story, 15th story, 10th story, 5th story we have to select. Click on OK option so that it will design the slab section which is related to 20, 15, 10 and 5 for the building structural model. So after that we have to click on design, concrete design. So click on start design check option so that it will start the designing of the member as per IS 456-2000 code provision standard system. Now we can see here it was done with complete slab designing section. It is showing strip pressure diagram. Now we will save this file. Click on save option. Now we will close the ETABS software before. Click on close option. Now we will do the detailing in CSI detailing version software. Just I am selecting CSI detailing software here. Click on file option, new detailing option. Open EDB file. Firstly we will select the design desktop HR file. So initially the model will be open in ETABS software. Then after that it will be directly imported to CSI detailing version software. Was done with complete importing process. It is showing pier and spandrel results is not available. Click on OK option. So after that we have to select the detailing units, select metric units and As per SI system, you can consider SI system, just I am taking length millimeter, section thickness millimeter, just I am selecting. Force will be in kilonewton and rebar weight will be in kilogram. Click on OK. Select the preferences according to IS code provision standard system. We will select. Click on concrete display preferences option, or else directly click on rebar rules option. So you can consider the beam option and you can consider the minimum spacing, maximum spacing based on your assumption. This time I am taking 150. This is 150 and again this is also 150. Just I am taking here, sorry, 150. So 600 I am constant, just I am keeping it as same. So this is also 150, just I am considering here, and I click on slab section also. So you can consider 120, just I am taking. Click on OK option. Directly click on the OK option so that it will do the designing process for this building structural model under the consideration. So after done with the detailing process, I will show you the complete designing results related to slab section, beam sections, column sections for this high-rise irregular building structure. Now here you can see it was done with complete designing. So this is the floor framing plan. This is the rebar plan which is available for this particular building structural model, which is presented at 8th story. So just I am selecting directly rebar kg option. You can see the material quantity and top rebar plan, bottom rebar plan based on your assumption. Just I am directly selecting rebar kgv diagram for this particular building structural model. Here you can see this is the reinforcement diagram. Again in the same process, select the beam detailing. Just I am directly selecting elevation view, any one of the floor. From this, just I am selecting rebar kg for that particular beam. It will show you the complete reinforcement design results, which is comes under that particular beam section for the model. In the same process, I am selecting column designing section. Select the column, elevation, select any one of the column, rebar kg option, so that it will display the complete rebar kgv diagram which is related to the column design as per IS 456-2000 code provision standard system design results. So now we can see this is the column design results which is related to the 20-story building structural model by using ETABS software. So this is the complete process of analysis and designing of high-rise irregular building design by using ETABS software. If you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box, and please download my application Civil Engineering Shravan application for more interesting updates. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.